Today I start class 4th English NCERT book Unit 1 Lesson 1 name Neha's alarm clock. Neha's alarm clock. See here is the one story. First I'll read the lesson. Just you see the narrator. Ring ring ring. Off goes the alarm clock at 6 in the morning. Neha makes a face and covering her ears with a pillow. Snuggles under the warm blanket. But she knows she has to get up. She mutters to herself. See here, the narrator means storyteller. He said, ring, ring, ring. Alarm sound is, no, very well. Yes, ring, ring, ring. Off goes the alarm clock at 6 in the morning. Morning 6 o'clock. There will be alarm that will ring. Neha makes a face and covering her ears with a pillow. Neha covers his ears with the pillow and snuggles under the warm blanket. Snuggles means to be in a comfortable position. Snuggles means to be in a comfortable position. Snuggles under the warm blanket. But she knows she has to get up. She knows she has to get up. She mutters to himself. Here mutters means say something in a very low voice. Mutters means say something in a low voice. Next, Neha. Neha says, this alarm clock always rings at 6. This alarm clock always rings at 6 and pulls me out of the bed. It's so unfair. Oh, how I would love to sleep a little longer in the morning. I wish this clock would forget its job sometimes. Neha mutters, this alarm clock always rings at 6. Morning 6 o'clock that alarm rings to pulls me of the bed. Pulls me out of the bed. It's so unfair. This is not fair because it rings and disturbing me. Oh, how I would love to sleep a little longer in the morning. In the morning sleeps you like very much, no? She also likes, so that's why she is muttering, sleeps a little longer in the morning. I wish this clock would forget its job. Clock job is run the ring and alert us, no? That's why she wish clock would forget its job. The clock stop their job to sometimes little bit that clock stop their job, she wish. After that narrator says, something falls, Neha smiles. Something falls, Neha smiles. See here, Neha, oh, my clock has fallen. How happy I am. Tomorrow I can get up late. The clock, she heard that sound, clock was fell down. So she become happy because she can get up late tomorrow. Tomorrow no, she can get up late. That's why she was happy. Narrator says, next morning there is no alarm. Next day there is no alarm because alarm was, clock was fallen. So that was stopped their job. That's why there is next morning there is no alarm. So Neha sleeps and sleeps. The small chirpy birds which come to the windowsill every morning find Neha still sleeping. Next day there is no clock, so she sleeps and sleeps. Near the window there is a chirpy birds, small chirpy birds come and come to the window and still every morning find Neha still sleeping. Bird says, wake up dear, wake up fast. Bird says, wake up dear, wake up fast. Narrator. Neha gets up with a start. Neha, oh no, if it's not the alarm clock, it's these birds. Why don't they leave me alone? Neha says, oh no, it's not the alarm clock. This is not alarm clock. It's these birds. It's these birds. Why don't they leave me alone? Why they don't leave me alone? She mutters. Next, narrator says, even this wish of Neha's comes true. The next morning there is not only no alarm clock, there are no birds either. But there is someone else who does not want her to miss the school bus. Can you guess who it is? The big bright sun. He fills Neha's room with a warm smile. See here, even this wish of Neha's comes true. If there is a birds also not come to wake up her, means the next morning there is not only no alarm clock, there are no birds either. But there is someone else who does not want her to miss the school bus. Can you guess who it is? Yes, the big bright sun. The big bright sun, he fills Neha's room with warm smile, warm smile. Can you understand? Can we go next page? Okay. Narrator says, mother smiles. Her mother only gets no. So, narrator says, mother smiles. Mother is smiling. Mother says, who else? You. Of course me, she said. Neha, but I was sleeping. How could I? Mother, now tell me, why do you eat your lunch every day at 1 in the afternoon? Neha, I feel hungry. Mother says. Mother asks, tell me, why do you eat your lunch every day at 1 in the afternoon? Neha says, I feel hungry. Mother says, why do you sleep at 9 every night? Her mother asks again, why do you sleep at 9 every night? Neha says, because I feel sleepy. Neha says, because I feel sleepy. Mother says, there is a clock inside you which tells you when to eat and when to sleep and when to wake up. Neha, oh, I better rush now. I don't want to miss the bus. Mother says, relax. Today is Sunday. Mother smiley, she said, today, relax baby, today is Sunday. Neha laughing. Ho ho ho. Neha is laughing. Can you understand this lesson, children? Okay. Just you read and do practice. Okay. This lesson adapted from Neha's Alarm Clock by Girija Rani Asthana. Okay. Read and do practice this lesson. Okay, children. Let us see what are the new words are there. See here some new words. Snuggles. Snuggles means to be in a comfortable position. Mutters. Next one, mutters. Mutters means say something in a very low voice. Window. Windowsill. Windowsill means the bottom part of the window. Relax. Relax means free from tension. Can you understand, children? Can you go to the next page? Okay. See here, reading is fun. Tick, write the correct answer. What time did Neha's clock ring every morning? Is it 4 o'clock or 9 o'clock or 6 o'clock? Yes, 6 o'clock is right answer. You put just right mark in the box. Second one, what did the bird say? Sleep on, wake up, go and play. Which one is correct? Wake up. Bird say and wake up. So you have to write. You have to put right mark in the second box. Okay. Next one. What is inside you that makes you get up at the same time every day? Our body clock, our eyes, our feet. Which one is right answer? What is inside you that makes you get up at the same time every day? Our body clock. Next one, see there. Put the letters in the right order. One has been done for you. First one, see there, I-L-E-S-M. They are given. You have they write S-M-I-L-E, smile. Here puzzle letters are there. You have to arrange in a right order. Okay. Second one, alarm. Second one, alarm. Next one, clock. C-L-O-C-K. Clock. Can you understand? Next one, morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G. Morning. Next one, snowed. S-N-O-R-E-D. Snow. S-N-O-R-E-D. Snow. Next one, window. Window. W-I-N-D-O-W. Window. Okay. Can you understand? Can you go next page? Okay. Next, see, let's listen and talk. This is your page. You should do this, okay? Listen to the sounds around you when you are on your way to school. Discuss with your friend the sounds that you heard. Let them hear. See, sounds you heard. What are the sounds you heard? You write here. And sounds your friend heard. What are the what heard your friend? See, you write here. Okay. You do yourself this one activity. Second one, if there is no clock in the house to wake you in the morning, how will you wake up? If there is no clock in the house to wake you in the morning, how will you wake up? Will you continue to sleep? No. Just you wake up, no. So do write yourself. Talk to yourself, okay? Discuss with your friends. What are the different way of knowing the time during the day? If we recognize the timing by sunshines, no? If the day means sunshines, evening means sunrise, okay? Then the sun goes down, it's evening. This type we understand what the time is now. Isn't it? Just you discuss with your friends. Okay. Can you go next page? See here, word building is there. Here given some words. Find the hidden words. In these letters you find out the hidden words and make a circle. Put the circle. Okay. Mother, birds, clock, alarm, happy, morning, holiday, hungry, Sunday. Just search the word and put circle. Do yourself, okay? Can you understand? Yes, okay. Next one, see there. Say aloud. Out, bought, hot. Out, bought, hot. Next one, mutter, chatter, shutter. Mutter, chatter, shutter. Next, see, tick, tock. Tell, told. Train, time. Tick, tack, tip, tin, take, tag. Once again, tick, tock, tell, told, train, time, tick, tack, tick, tin, tick, tock. Read, say loud and do practice. Can we go next page? Okay. The next page, see there. Let's write. Who said these words to whom? Here given some sentence. Read the sentence. Who said this sentence and who to whom? First one. Wake up dear, wake up fast. This sentence said whom? Who said this sentence? Yes, bird says. No, you have to write here bird. To whom? To whom says? Can you know? Yes, narrator. Second one, Ma, who woke up me up today? Who said this sentence? Yes, narrator said. To whom? Mother. Second one, Ma, who wake up me up today? Who said this sentence? Neha. Who said this sentence? Neha. Neha said. Right here, Neha. To whom? Mother. Next one, why do you sleep at 9 every night? Who said these words? Mother. T-H-E-R. To whom? Neha. Okay, can you understand? Yes. See, second one, use the help box to fill in the blanks. Here in the box they are given two words, was and were. Was and were. The was and were, what are these? See, these are helping words. These are called helping words. The was and were are called helping words. Verb means, do you know? Verb is an action word, isn't it? You know very well. But when the action does that, tells us these words. Okay. Here where we use was and where we use were. Let us see. See here. Was is used with I, he, she, it and singular nouns. When there is a noun is in singular, that time we use their was. Understand? I was, he was, she was, it was, like this. When the noun is singular. Can you understand? When the noun is singular, that time we use was. I was, he was, she was, it was, like this. When we use were is used with you, we, they and plural nouns. When the nouns are in plural, that time we use were. You were, we were, they were, like this. We were, they were, you were, like this. We use this word. This helping word shows action that have take place in the past. Can I give some examples? See here. It was barking. I was running. You were telling lies. The minister and his men were sitting. Can you understand? Was and were both are helping words. Both are called helping words. Was is used in between the was is used with I, he, she, it. When the noun is singular, and where is used you, we, they. With we, you, with we, with they. When the noun is in plural. Can you understand? Keep it in mind. In grammar we can study deeply. Okay. See here, use the helps box to fill in the blanks. Here given some exercise, just you see there. Ram dash a good football player. Ram is a singular no. So we have to write here Ram was a good football player. Next one, the cows dash grazing in the fields. See, cows, it is in plural form, no? So if we have to write here, the cows were grazing in the field. My toys were broken. Toys, plural noun, no? More than one means it called plural. So we have to write here, were. My toys were broken. Her frock dash too long. Her, singular noun, so frock. So we have to write her frock was too long. Next one, the market dash closed, singular noun. So we have to write here, the market was closed. Next one, the children dash happy. Children, child is a singular noun, then children plural form. No? So have to write here, were. Next one, the flowers dash kept in a vase. Flowers, it is in plural form. So we have to write here, the flowers were kept in a vase. Can you understand, children? Okay. Let us see next page. Look at the picture below and complete the following paragraph. You will need these words. Okay. In the box they are given some words. Pulled out, inside, called out, behind, and use these words and fill these here. Yesterday I lost a book. I looked for it everywhere. Where she is seeing, see behind the door. No. I looked behind the door. You have to write here, behind. Next one, I looked inside a cupboard. She is looking inside, no, inside. So, I looked inside a cupboard. Next one, see, here she is under. So, I looked under a bed. Under a bed, you have to write, under. Next one, I could not find it anywhere. Then I called out, Sheru. After that, Sheru, my dog, came running to me. I asked him to look for my book. He pulled out another book from my bag. Pulled out. She pulled out one book now. So now this is the paragraph. Can you understand? Okay. Let us see next page. See the next page. Here is a word clock. Clock. Write down word relating to clock. Here given one clock. Related words you have to write here. Here you write sound, another word, next word in your language, name different parts or times. See here, I did one tick tock sound. Clock sound is tick tock. Next, make a sentence. See, the alarm clock makes me up in the morning. The alarm clock makes me up in the morning. Next, in the clock there we can see our hand, face, second hand we can see no S. Next, another language in Hindi there clock says ghadi. Isn't it? Like this way have to complete this. And down one more there given morning. Here is the word morning. Here given one morning word. You have to related word you have to write in the squares. Okay, can you doing this? Okay, bye. Thank you. Related class notes I will send it in your WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you.